Welcome Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. We are located in West Tennessee, and I believe your search is over. That's if you're looking for a light new condition GMC Yukon Denali XL. About a 2012 pearl white in color with only 27,000 miles. You heard me right, very low miles, 27,000. It does have the towing package, backup camera, backup sensors, beautiful chrome wheels. Got the running boards, chrome door handle, painted mirrors, painted bumper, automatic headlights, fog lights, tow hooks. It's a Denali, so it's got every option available, and it's all-wheel drive. This one also has the remote engine start, which is a real neat feature. You lock it, push this button, cranks it right up. That's great for the winter or summer. You can get the climate control going. This is also a one owner, clean Carfax non-smoker, Tennessee vehicle, no rust, no mud, well taken care of, like new. Look at these seats. They're usually all wore out. Not the case. No sign of wear. It also has the power windows, power mirrors, power folding mirrors. Oops. So if you're in a tight garage or car wash, you can close these. And you see the little icon on the left, that's your blind spot monitor system. That's a good safety feature. Warns you of someone in your blind spot. We've got heated seat, air conditioning seat, memory seat. It's got the upgraded Bose sound system. You're going to have power seats on both sides with lumbar support. It's got nice clean carpets, no stains, and new all-weather floor mats. We've got automatic headlights, power tilt. It's got the nice wood grain. All you do now is stick the key in and turn it without going to the start position. About 27,224 miles, which is crazy low. Got your outside temperature, compass, got cruise control, heated steering wheel. Here's your audio control, voice command. It's got the tow modes. You can upshift and downshift, and that's your tow mode. It's got well, right now we're on the DVD, but it's got navigation. Got AM, FM, CD player, USB auxiliary, and satellite radio. That's AM. There we go. It's activated now, so I can guarantee how long that's going to work, but it's a subscription thing, so whoever had it previously hasn't turned it off yet. Got dual climate control. Passenger driver can have their own temperatures. A lot of these, usually these buttons are all wore off. If you look at a few of them, you'll see. But this thing is like new. No scratches. Armrest is nice. You got storage. You got USB and a 12-volt outlet. And then you got some 12-volt outlet here too. Adjustable power pedal, park assist, traction control, and we've got the backup camera too. Let me see. Let's get. There's a DVD in here. There's screens in the back too. No cracks in the dash. You see quite a few of them. Got a crack right by the airbag. This was garage kept. Very clean. Got the owner's manual. Extra key. Original MSRP of $66,800, which is crazy. You can buy this for a fraction of that, and the new ones are $75,000, $80,000 equipped this way, which is getting a little crazy. We've got your auto dimming rearview mirror, OnStar, universal garage door opener, power lift gate, power sunroof. When you're in park, you can watch the movie on the front screen. Great setup for the family. We got the quad seats, no car seat print. I don't think no one's been back here. The seats are too nice. No stains on the carpet. You see a lot of them all stained up. Not the case. You got your audio control for the rear, heated seats for the rear, climate control, cup holders. Got an outlet. It's got the original floor mat that are stain free. These seats fold up. Right. As you can see, clean carpet, no issue. Got the third seat. It folds forward, or you can completely remove it if you need a lot of cargo space. This one has a dual screen, so there's a DVD screen in the front and the back. Got 20-inch chrome wheels with no curb rash, no rust. Good tires. Got power lift gauge. You can squeeze the door handle or push the button on the remote. Either way. That's the original front two floor mats. Got a cargo mat, and again, clean throughout. Got another outlet. These are great vacation vehicle. You can carry 7 people, very comfortable. It's got a brand new set of wireless headset, OEM, and a remote. Power seat, lumbar support, passenger. Again, the seat looks brand new. Heated and air conditioned seats. These are controls. I guess I have to find a flaw. It is a used vehicle, and there it is on this one. We've got a few spots on the bumper that have been touched up. I mean, it's just cosmetic, but that's about it. And this one's got the best engine GM's got on these. A 6.2 liter V8. As you can see, it's nice and clean. No rust. Looks like a brand new engine compartment. It's been serviced. And also, this is the multi-fuel injection system, where it goes from V4 to V8 mode, which sounds good, but this system will eventually give you trouble down the road unless you take care of it and disable that feature and keep it straight V8. And I've took care of that. It's done by software. I have a mechanic who does that, and you'll thank me later. You can't tell the difference now, but it'll make the vehicle last long like it's supposed to. It'll stay on V8. It won't affect the fuel mileage. It'll just make it a lot more reliable down the road. They usually have trouble over 100,000 miles, but it's been taken care of. If you're looking for a sharp luxury SUV and don't want to spend a fortune on one, this is your ticket. To see if this Yukon XL is still for sale, go to my website, sunsetmotors.com. If it's on the website, it's for sale. If not, you're too late and it's gone. I do have very competitive financing available with low interest rate and good terms, so you can have an affordable payment. Credit applications on the website. You can fill it out and I can get to work and see what I can do for you. Worldwide shipping is also available. To get a shipping quote, or if you have any other question, you can call or text anytime, 731-686-8800. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, thumbs up. Thank you.